Algebra 2, EOC, practice test number 6. What value of x makes the equation 3 divided by x plus 3 equals 9 divided by x squared minus 9 true? Enter your answer in the space provided. Alright, so for this one we can see we have a rational equation. It's a rational equation. Rational means it's a fraction, and it's an equation because it has an equal sign. But it's also rational because the variable is in the denominator. Okay, so how do we solve this? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is look and see if we can just cross multiply. So that'd be the easiest thing to get rid of our fraction. So if we cross multiply, we're going to multiply the 3 times the x squared minus 9 and then the 9 times x plus 3. So to do that, let's rewrite this as 3x squared. And then 3 times 9 is 27. Alright, so with that equals 9x. And then 9 times 3 again is 27. Alright, so now we need to get our equation on one side. So let's subtract 9x and subtract 27. And bring that to the other side. So minus 9x and minus 27. Alright, so that's going to cancel. So we know on this side it's going to equal 0 now. So on the left side we've got 3x squared. Alright, we've got a 9x. That's our linear term. We're going to put that in the middle. And then we've got minus 27 and minus 27, which is negative 54 when we combine those. Alright, now we need to factor. If we look at this, 3, 9, and 54 all divide into 3 evenly. So we're going to take out our greatest common factor of 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And 3 goes into 57 18 times. Alright, so now we don't have to worry about the 3. It just kind of drops off. But what we do need to do is finish factoring this expression here. So x squared minus 3x minus 18 can be factored into x times x. What multiplies to give me 18 and adds to give me negative 6. So we know 6 and 3 are 3 apart, and they multiply to give me 18. Now the bigger number has to be negative in order for the middle number to be negative. So we're going to have negative 6 and plus 3. Now that we have this all factored, we can set the factors equal to 0 and solve. So x minus 6 equals 0, x plus 3 equals 0. So we're going to add 6, x equals 6, and x equals negative 3. So it says, what value of x makes the equation true? Enter your answer in the space provided. Now, if you remember with rational expressions, rational equations, and radical equations, you have to check for extraneous solutions. So take this and plug it into the denominator and see if it works. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 squared is 36. Minus 9 is 27. So this one will work. Negative 3, on the other hand, negative 3 plus 3 is 0. You can't divide by 0, so this is an extraneous solution. So where it says what value makes this true, your answer is 6. So number 6, the answer is 6.